Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show you here actually how you start to see comments on Figma. This is going to be about help you through that, which is going to be about help you through everything that is still to be about this one. And this is going to be about to help you in everything that you want. First of all, you start type comments on that, show comments, a few comments. This is going to be actually to help you a lot in this way, so that which is about to understand over this. As you can see, everything in this comments has to be done and seen. Everything is going on to see in it. Okay, so first of all, that's gonna be about to everything that you should know about when this is ready to be satisfied on that. So that's all about to help